Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm go ahead to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is a pizza dough rollers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, it's about like 19 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit is about like 16 inches tall. And the depth of the units, they are about like 27.5 inches deep. So as we can see, the units coming with a couple parts. They're having a switchers on the side, and they do have a speed control for the rollers. And also they have a sheets right here, and the rollers inner side. And we do having some metal parts on side to cover the units. And from the manufacturers, they give you the 110, the standard plugs right here. And for this topping parts, it's removable. And for this roller wide, it is about like 10 inches. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.